I know it's kind of frustrating when you go to a website and you click on a link that you want to go to, that you're interested in reading more, and then it takes you to an error page, and the error page has nothing on it to help you to go to where you want to go, or maybe give you more information about what it is that you're looking for. It can be equally as frustrating when people come to your website and the same thing happens. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can use one of my favorite tools to set up a custom 404 error page. That way you can have people, when they come to your website and they type in a link that's no longer working, go to a page where you have thoughtfully planned out what is on the page. So let's dive in. All right, I'm on my website and I just typed in my domain name and I hit the backslash and typed in the word sorry. I don't have this page on my website. No page is named sorry. So when I typed this in, of course, I knew it was going to bring up an error page. So this is what my error page looks like. If you wanted to look up yours, you could just type in your URL and then you could type in some gibberish and it will pull up your error page. So what I want to do now is I want to make this page where it is a lot better laid out for my customer or for my clients. So that way, if they reach this page, they can find something of value to them. So that's what I'm going to do. There are two tools that I love to use for my WordPress website. The first one is Beaver Builder and the second one is Beaver Themer. These can work together and enable me to create my website to make it look the way that I want. I use it often with my consulting clients, and what you can do is get both of these and together you can make your custom 404 page really simply, really quickly, and make it something that will help your audience. After you've logged into your website, you will want to make sure that you have both of those plugins installed in order for you to be able to use them. And what you're going to want to do is go to the builder and go to Themer Layouts. So once I navigate there, then what I can do is I can add a new layout. And in the layout, I can make it say custom 404 error page, or whatever title that you want it to say, just so that you can remember what it is that you're creating. And then I just want to make sure that I select 404 from the layout drop-down menu. This one you'll want to leave the same as far as the type goes. Then what you want to do is add Themer Layout. Now that I've added the layout, the only other question or anything that I need to do is I need to select the users. And because I'm going to use this for my entire site, for people who are logged in, logged out, I want everybody to see it, no matter who. I want to just leave this selected as all users. And then all I have to do is hit the publish button. When the page builder is up, then what I can do is I can move these things around if I want. I can add different things so that way I can make it look how I want it to look. I can, add a picture behind this. I can add some other information within Beaver Builder to make it look how I want. And what I'll want to do is make sure that I'm thinking about my customer and my client, thinking about what it is that they need, and thinking about how I can make this as effective as possible. So that's all you have to do. When you're done, you just hit the done button and you hit publish. And once you've done that, it should be ready to go. So if I go back again to my error page, let's say I put in the sorry again at the end, it should look the way that I want it to look. Well, I haven't styled it yet, but you know what I mean. It should look how it looks within Beaver Themer because I've made it live. So now that I've done that, I can go ahead and make it really cute and make sure that it is nice and branded so that it matches the rest of my website. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, of course, ask them in the comment section below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please let me know and I'll be sure to create something for you. As always, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.